Hi, Dean from Track Cam Fish here. We're really lucky today. We've got visitors from Victoria, Steve and Marni, who are both amazing free divers. More importantly though, Steve's an amazing cook, and today he's going to cook his version of abalone burgers. And trust me, all you divers out there need to pay attention. It'll change the way that you guys treat and deal with your abalone. So Steve, talk us through it. What's the process that you follow? Where do you start and how do you get to the end?
Fresh abalone is a good start. We've been out for a dive. We've got some abs. All I've done is cleaned them, gutted them as you normally would. Now that's one ab. We've trimmed it up, taken the mouth off, and I've sliced it horizontally. So you get 2 burger patties. Now they're tenderised, ready to go. That process is, as you would know. All I've got here is a bit of ginger, a little bit of salt, and I'm just going to grind it into a bit of a paste. This is going to season the ab with a bit of potato starch and rice wine vinegar, and egg white to hold it together as a bit of a binder. So simply, egg white, as you would a piece of fish. Get your abs in there and get them on. I'll do 4. I'll put the ginger in here and just massage it in. That's just going to add to a bit of the flavour of the overall burger. Same bowl. Gets a bit messy. What we do now is potato starch without spilling it everywhere. Be generous with it because you want this to dry now. And just work your ab around. I'm going to dust this twice. Thanks to the magic of television, we've cleaned up. So second dusting, I'm just going to put a bit of rice wine vinegar on there. And then we're going to dry it up again with the starch. More is the key, and get it nice and dry. And with it being nice and dry, it's going to not splatter as much in the pan as well. But you will need a cover, because it will splatter a bit. So that is that. They're dusted, they're gingery, and a little bit big. So on a medium heat, we want a generous amount of olive oil. Just so we can get up the side of the abalone. Brioche buns in the oven. Not too long, because they burn easy. Abalone are nearly done, so they're crispy and very well to being a finished product. Over here, we've got a sesame Korean style sauce. In it, we've got some honey. Looks to be local. Bit of brown sugar and sambal. Tomato sauce. There's only about a tablespoon of tomato sauce, a bit of light soy, sesame oil, some garlic salt or granules, some sesame seeds, and mix all that together. Now that's going to glaze the abalone in the pan right now. Now I've just got a bit too much oil in here, so at this point I'm just going to bring the abs out so I don't drop them. And when they go back in, they're going to have about enough oil for what I want on there to glaze up the abalone now. So if you didn't do this, add back about a tablespoon of oil, and that would be more than enough. They're not too high a heat now because you've got the sesame seeds in there, they will burn. But if you get a little bit of char, it just adds to the flavour. So back in the pan, here's our dressing. And you can glaze it if you like. Turn it a couple of times. Get all that delicious sesame flavour on there. A couple more minutes in here on each side. And that flavours our ab. We are done. Abs are cooked. Now they're very hot, so don't go biting into them straight away because you will hurt yourself. So in here, all fresh, coriander, you can omit it if you like, but it's just going to take away from the burger. Spring onion. We've got some fresh julienne ginger. Ginger really adds to it. And then just a slaw. Mix that up. Dress it a little. I've got a Kewpie mayonnaise. If you don't like a Kewpie, use a standard mayonnaise. And this will set our burgers on. So far the dish hasn't had salt, so I'll put a little bit on the slaw. Prep time. I like a bit of chilli, so I'm going to put a bit of chilli mayo on. I like a lot of chilli. Grab some of your slaw, be generous. You're going to make a mess. I think the messier the better. Load it up. Grab one of your ab burgers. Now that is so tender. No effort. In it goes. And that, my friends, is my version of a Korean fried abalone burger. Enjoy.
So there we go, Steve's Ab Burger. If you are a diver and you've got access to fresh abalone, you have to try this. It is outstanding, as evidenced by these. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed that. Remember to like and subscribe. See you next time.